Have you ever stopped to consider the transformative power of gratitude in your life? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Gratitude, a simple word, yet so profound in its impact. It's more than just saying thank you. It's a way of looking at the world, a lens that can shift your perspective from what's missing to what's already there. When we cultivate an attitude of gratitude, we begin to notice the beauty in everyday moments, the joy in small victories, and the love in ordinary interactions. We start to appreciate life in all its splendid complexity and find happiness in the here and now. Now imagine having a tool that can help you foster this powerful habit. Enter the gratitude journal, a simple yet potent way to practice thankfulness daily. It's like a key, waiting to unlock the door to a more contented, fulfilled life. The simple act of writing down what you're grateful for can unlock a world of benefits. Let's dive deeper. So, you might ask, what exactly is a gratitude journal? Well, it's a space, a haven of sorts, where you record all the things for which you're thankful. Picture this, a book filled with daily entries, each capturing moments, people, experiences, or even thoughts that brought a spark of joy or a sense of peace to your day. The beauty of a gratitude journal is in its simplicity. There's no grand ceremony required, no lengthy narratives to be written. All it takes is a few moments each day to reflect and jot down what you're grateful for. It might be the warmth of the morning sun, the aroma of your favorite tea, or the sound of your loved one's laughter. The aim here is not to create a literary masterpiece, but to cultivate an attitude of appreciation. Remember, a gratitude journal is your personal tool for cultivating positivity and appreciating life's blessings. Now, you may wonder, what's in it for me? A reasonable question to ask, and the answer is quite enlightening. The benefits of maintaining a gratitude journal are manifold, with the most significant impact seen in the realm of mental health. Imagine a balloon, gradually filling up with the day's stresses, anxieties, and worries. Now imagine that balloon deflating, releasing all that tension, all that negativity. That's what a gratitude journal can do for your mental well-being. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you're essentially letting out all the air from that balloon, easing your stress and reducing anxiety. Think back to those sleepless nights where you toss and turn, your mind a whirlwind of thoughts. A gratitude journal can be the lullaby that soothes you into slumber. By encouraging positive thoughts before bedtime, it helps to calm the mind, making it easier to drift off into a peaceful sleep. It's like a natural sleep aid, with no side effects and only benefits. But the benefits of a gratitude journal aren't limited to mere stress relief or sleep improvement. It's about cultivating a positive mindset, a way of looking at the world that focuses on the good rather than the bad. It's like donning a pair of rose-tinted glasses, where every experience, every interaction, is seen as an opportunity for gratitude. This positivity can help to boost your mood, increase your self-esteem, and even improve your relationships. In essence, maintaining a gratitude journal is like watering a garden. The more you nurture it with your positive thoughts and expressions of gratitude, the more it blooms. It's a tool for growth, a catalyst for change, a way to reshape your mindset and, in turn, your life. But that's not all. The benefits of a gratitude journal extend beyond mental well-being. There's a whole other world of benefits awaiting you, benefits that reach into the physical realm, the social realm, and beyond. So stay tuned and let's delve even deeper into the world of gratitude journaling. Ready to discover more benefits of keeping a gratitude journal? The practice of maintaining a gratitude journal can do wonders not only for your mental well-being, but also for your social and physical health. Let's dive into how this simple yet powerful tool can help improve these areas of your life. One of the most remarkable effects of journaling your gratitude is its potential to enhance your relationships. When you regularly take note of the positive aspects of the people around you, you naturally develop a deeper appreciation for them. This can foster a sense of closeness and understanding, strengthening bonds with friends, family, and even colleagues. Moreover, logging your thankfulness can increase your empathy. By focusing on the good in others, you begin to see things from their perspective, nurturing your ability to empathize. This heightened empathy can, in turn, make you more understanding and tolerant, improving your interactions with others. But the benefits of a gratitude journal are not limited to the social sphere. They extend to your physical health as well. Studies have shown that the act of expressing gratitude can result in tangible health benefits. For example, it can lead to lower blood pressure, a health marker linked to an array of diseases. Furthermore, The positive emotions stirred by gratitude can stimulate the release of endorphins, often termed as the body's natural painkillers. This can lead to a reduction in physical discomfort and even enhance the body's healing processes. The act of writing down what you're grateful for also promotes better sleep. It helps clear the mind of negative thoughts and fosters a sense of peace, setting the stage for a good night's sleep. And we all know how crucial sleep is for maintaining our physical health, don't we? So whether it's improving your connections with others, fostering empathy, or even helping your body function better, the benefits of keeping a gratitude journal are multifaceted. Indeed, the act of expressing gratitude can have a profound impact on multiple aspects of your life. Are you ready to start your journey towards gratitude? It's simple and rewarding. Let's kickstart your gratitude journal today. First, choose a journal that resonates with you. It can be a fancy leather-bound book, a simple notebook, or even a digital app. Next, set aside a few quiet moments each day, preferably in the morning or before bed. This will be your gratitude time. Now, write down 3 things that you're grateful for. It could be the warmth of the sun on your face, a good book you've read, or a kind word from a friend. The key is to be specific and focus on the present moment. Don't worry about making it perfect. It's your journal, and there's no right or wrong way to keep it. Just be honest and let your gratitude flow naturally. And finally, make it a daily habit. Like brushing your teeth or having breakfast, let expressing gratitude become a part of your everyday routine. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single word of gratitude.